Hello guys, my name is Ravi Kataria and I'm a business intelligence expert and online trainer. And my qualification is MBIT. I've done graduation in Bachelor of Science in Informational Technology. If I talk about my experience, I have total 7 year for experience in SQL Server, Excel, Power BI, Tableau, and financial data management and financial reporting. I also done. So, if you talk about my achievements, which we have done in 7 year of experience, which we have in working with top MNCs, American companies, and kind of stuff which we have in Indian market also. So, I have 5-time best employee for innovation, new BI technologies within organization and outside organization, and as an online trainer also. I have total 180 plus automation which we have introduced in different in various organization to reduce manpower and using various technology. I have expertise in Excel, VBA, Power BI, SQL Server, and MSBI and Aptio. So you can see right now I have talked about my achievements, talked about my experience, and talked about my what I do. So right now I'm showing you some sample work which I have done so vast in Power BI. So show a visualization in which we have backend of SQL Server. So let me open and so that we can see what we have. Now you can see this is the dashboard which we have designed into Power BI. Power BI is a financial analysis demonstration. So in the first page, this report include 11 pages. Power BI is a free software. Many organization is switching from Tableau to Power BI right now. So my main expertise in Power BI and Excel. If you would like to take any, if you have any project, you can directly contact me and hire me on Upwork, which is a best suitable way. My rate is $10 per hour, and you can easily contact me anytime. So you can see now we have net profit and versus budget, and profit, gross profit versus budget, and you can see the budget over the time period, and you can see the net profit we have in the organization. So this is a sample dashboard which we have designed for one of client, but this raw data is completely is based on the raw data which is simply designed for the customer, but it does not have any actual value. That's why we are showing in this video. So you can see the visualization which appears look like a kind of website. You can easily make your own by using Power BI, and we have other tools also like Tableau and Excel. We can do the same also in other tool as well if you want. And thanks for watching this video. I hope you have interested and think I am a suitable match for you. You can hire me, and I am available as per your requirement. Thanks for your time and information.